This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next episode of Mini Lock Monday. I have a wheel that has 5 locks left on it. We're getting down to the end of the list. All the locks on this list are 40 millimeters or smaller, and I will spin the wheel, and I will pick whichever lock the wheel chooses. So let's get to spinning the wheel. Looks like it's going to be number 2, the Master Lock Mini. So let's get to picking. Right. Let's see if breathing on this little Master Lock will open it. Fitting isn't terribly challenging, and it's only three pins. All right. Yep, breathed on it. It's open. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found that kind of funny. Stay tuned for next week. We'll spin the wheel and pick the next lock the wheel chooses. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. Thank you for watching.